Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your phone supports 5G and your carrier allows 5G on your account. Once done, check if your SIM is already 5G capable. Some carriers issue new SIMs for 5G. Next, log into your carrier app or call support to enable 5G service if it's not active. Make sure your firmware and carrier settings are current. Updating now prevents later conflicts and speeds up the activation steps that follow. Now you perform the detailed configuration. Install the latest OS and carrier profile updates because carriers push 5G settings there. Once updated, power down and insert the 5G-capable SIM if you had to replace it, then power up. Go into Mobile Network Settings, select Network Mode to 5G/Auto or NR/Auto, and enable Enhanced Mobile Services if present. After switching, give the phone a few minutes to register. To finish, confirm you see the 5G indicator and run a quick speed test in a strong signal area to validate service. If you don't get 5G, restart the phone, reinsert the SIM, or reset network settings to clear any stale configurations. If issues persist, contact carrier support to confirm provisioning and ask for a remote provisioning refresh. They can also check local tower compatibility. Troubleshooting tip: if coverage exists but no 5G registers, swapping to a freshly provisioned 5G SIM often resolves provisioning mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.